Okay, so you're just gonna say, instead of happy birthday, Patrick, you're just gonna say, happy birthday to me. Ready? Okay, ready na? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, very good too. Okay, you're just gonna say, happy birthday, Patrick. Okay, you're just gonna have to shout it out. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, jolly, jolly, go! Okay, dito muna tayo sa aking lead. Fall in line here. All group number 2, fall in line here. Ito. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, para malaman, so when I can know that your group is the first one who finished in the line already, we're gonna have to do a cheer. Okay? So for the group ng girls, ang sasabihin natin ay, you're just gonna say, happy birthday, Patrick, but with action. The action is, ganon. Okay, shake lang natin ang ating mga balika. Okay, can I see it? Okay, team girls, when I say 3, 2, 1, what you're gonna say? Ayan, kailangan sabi, so you have to do the cheer synchronize. Okay? Siyempre, for tables, hindi magpapatalo. Kung sa kanila, may pag-ganon, ang sasabihin lang din natin, happy birthday, Patrick. Ang action is, happy birthday, Patrick! Kikembot na tayo ng dalawa. Okay, ready? For team boys, ready? And 3, 2, 1! Ayan, very good. Okay, ready? So, ayan, listen carefully. So, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, 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 maximum to minimum, maximum to minimum, according to the first letter of your name. Z to A. Okay, maximum to minimum, Z to A. Ayan, maximum to minimum. Okay, hindi na nila alam ang ano, ang ABCD. Ayan, ang galing ng team mo. January. July. December. Is on ng surname.
Henwood D. Kasi Max D. De Leon N.
Well, L. Valentine. E. Akitana A. Okay, dahil dyan, 2-0. Or may lahi sa Camellia Homes. Social with accent. Okay, so just gonna say, you're just gonna sing a happy birthday song using the sounds of a dog. With action. Okay, so the action is arm. Just like that. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, jolly, sing. Arm. Gonna ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Parang kakainin. Okay, next up is my Tweety Bird.
Sino may
Ayan, palakpakan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ang sabi talaga ng Lola. Nakagano. Ayan, okay. A round of applause for my special guest, my monkey. Kakagupit lang. Okay, so ano po ang sounds ng monkey? Madali lang po. Ha, ha. Okay, paano po ulit ang sounds? Ayan, very good. Kunyari si Patrick, favorite na favorite niya ang monkey. Okay, so dahil dyan, dito po tayo. Okay, yung mga boys, dito po tayo. Ay, dito po tayo. Okay, dito ka. Okay. Ang gagawin mo lang, kakanta ka. You're just gonna sing a happy birthday song using the sounds of a monkey while walking like this. Like ready? Okay, kailangan mo ba ng mic? Okay. Nag-vocalization na. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, jolly, jolly, go! Lagyan mo yan. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, jolly, jolly, go! Monkey pa, hindi pa pilay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, sige, tuloy na! Yung wheelchair, makadala. Ayaw na nakakailangan ng mga... Okay, so dahil dyan... Okay, so I need 8 people here. Okay, yung mga hindi pa nakakapaglaro, punta na po tayo dito. Okay, so Mami Margo, I need your help. Ayan, so I need 8 people here.
Atina, Ate Cersei. Ate Cersei. Chay, Ate Cersei. Go, Teddy!
Open the straw.
Get it! Lana! Daddy!
Ayan, put the straw. Kuha. Ayan, get it.
Give it to Atina!
Get it. Oh, yeah. Get it. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Pass it to Kuya Ashton. So, pass it. Pass it to Kuya Ashton. Ayan. Oh, galing. Ayan. Sige, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, very good. Ang lahat sa lato. Jolly Meats, you can take your seats and we will serve the food to your table.
Malamig?
Gusto ko malamig. You want to dance? Sige, dance ka muna.
Siya. Gutom yan. Alam mo kung bakit? Hi! Careful! Wala pa. Kapanig pa lang. Wala pang harap ako.
Download the order now.
Teddy, Teddy, want some spaghetti?
Sila Sylvia. Sila Sylvia. Sylvia, Kevin, Miney,
Si ano ba? Andre.
Andre.
Meron ba iba?
Ano?
Main part.
Si ano pa? Si,
Jollibee!
Woo! Jollibee! Ay! Nauntog!
Hi, Master Jollibee!
Jollibee!
Ayan. Jollibee sa sobrang saya, oh.
Oh, sa sobrang saya, Jollibee, tumatawa siya sa iya. Okay, Patrick, come here. And come here in front. I prefer taking your Jollibee.
Yeah, high five!
Camera po. Ay, ano po may camera? Ayan, dito po tayo sa picture.
Nakatalim.
Okay, ready, Patrick? And 3, 2, 1, smile!
Jollibee! Thank you, Jollibee.
Okay, okay, last picture. Tayo po lahat bago umalis si Jollibee. Ay, dito po tayo lahat. Kami na lang po nila Kuya Rafa.
Jollibee, hug Kuya Jollibee. Hug Kuya Jollibee.
Karen, hug Jollibee.
Bye, Jollibee. See you again, Jollibee. Yay! Yay! Hala!
And Kuya Patrick, come here, Kuya Patrick. So, what is your words for the people who you invited and come here?
Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
Very,
And also thanks to... Ayan, so this time we'd like to thank all of you for having a party here at Jollibee Makati Avenue. So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit sa Jollibee Makati Avenue. Hanapin niyo lamang po ang inyong partner host, Kuya Diman and Kuya Rafa. Hanggang sa muli po natin magkikita. See you around in your next party at paalam!
Salamat!